Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven light socket in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Remove any oven racks that may be in the way. Then unthread the light bulb. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the socket housing. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them. Depress the tab to release the old socket from the housing. Install the new oven light socket by snapping it into place in the housing. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Reposition the housing and thread the screws to secure. Be careful not to damage the bulb by over-tightening when threading it into the new socket. Replace any racks as required. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.